If your filter top is really hard to take off, or it's hard to put on, or it's leaking, this trick will help you, so stay tuned. You need lube, and then I got a wad of 7-Eleven napkins. So it's leaking right here between the lid and our filter canister. I know what you're thinking. It's only leaking because it's different colors, Spencer. Let me tell you, these colors are a gimmick. This is Pentair, this is Stay Right. It's all made by the same company, it's the same exact thing. Most of the time the black lids are gonna cost substantially more than the almond colored lids because the almond colored lids are easier to find than the black lids. So that's all it is. You can see it's leaking. Looking at the equipment pad, we see signs of water. A little moss growing there. Gonna take our filter off. We're gonna engage these buttons, spin it counterclockwise. I like to open up this air release with my foot down here on the bottom. But when we pull this lid up, we have to know that this water is gonna come gushing out, so you wanna pull your foot back. You'll have a boot full of water. Okay. We have our lid. So, clean that in a second. Gonna go ahead and take our O-ring off of here. See, I can pull it off with my fingers, but if you're having trouble, you can use the corner of your lube and it works really good. Kind of work it up under there and it'll pop it right off. Try not to get too much in your filter, but there's really not much you can do. Okay. So we're gonna clean this, we're gonna clean this track, we're gonna clean the bottom of that lid. So we're gonna take our rag, get it in that groove, go all the way around. See, pretty yucky. This is just old grease and dirt from over the years. Some are more prevalent too, needing this more often than others. See, this is why we always want to use a light layer of lube anytime we add lube to it, because eventually we're going to be wiping it all away. We're also going to clean down here at the bottom where our lid's going to connect. Okay. Can see pretty dirty. It's time to clean our O-ring. This is best not to be using a napkin because you might get some of the fibers on it. Okay, give it one more go through. And to the feel, you can tell it's not greasy anymore. My fingers may be, but I feel it doesn't really have the same texture it did before. We're gonna put a light layer of lube. We're using Magic Lube, silicone. See, very light. Just coating it. Now this is the trick. You want to start it, work your O-ring all the way around, put it on. I'm just going to take a light lube on the outside of this O-ring to help it out. Okay. Now we are going to clean our lid. Doesn't have to be beautiful. Okay. Yeah, we just put it on. Should fix the leak. So I keep my air release up here open and I push it down. See how much easier that goes on there? And then I'll close that to lock it in place. Put our band on. Now when we click our band, I like to pull these tabs. Make sure you have the clickers on the bottom and pull it right back to those notches right there. There we go, it's no longer leaking. So we want to monitor this deck right here and make sure that it's not continuously wet, because then we might be dealing with another leak somewhere else. So we always want to check our decks when we walk up to our pool equipment just to make sure it's not damp. In morning dew, you know, what are you gonna do? But this is now fixed. Thank you for watching our video. I'm Spencer, this is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here. Please subscribe right here. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section below and like the video.